In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how much you can earn on Google AdSense. So first of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. And actually, I'm just going to actually show you, so you don't need actually to follow me. You'll need just to know this information. So all you need to do, let me just show you what's actually Google said. So as you can see here, when you type on Google how much you can earn on Google AdSense, it's actually, they said, generally speaking, publishers get 80, not, this is not 80, I mean 69.8% or 51% when using AdSense for reach, depending on the niche. The commission can go from $0.2 to $15 with an average of $3 per click for publishers. So how much can you earn by using AdSense? As you can see here, best AdSense niche is internet and telecommunication, which is cost per click in the US. Of course, that's in the United States, which is kind of $5. There are 4 other rows. Let me just go check that. So as we said, so here is the table. Insurance is $60. Online education is 12.008. Marketing and advertisement is $6.45, and attorney is $6.11. So I found something interesting in Reddit as well. As you can see, I know it's personal question, but why not? How much websites visits you got per day, and how much do you make a month with that number? So some people actually replied, I like this person gets 50 into 60k visitors per month, and he make about 300 euros, which is like kind of $300 from AdSense and another 300 from Infolinks. Okay, this is not AdSense, so let's just ignore that. So he's making like $300 from AdSense. About this one, he's getting the 30 to 40 visitors per month, and he gets between 700 and 800 revenue per month through Google AdSense. And of course, other people like saying what they are getting. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.